Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Constant Spring by the corner of Constant Spring Road and Central Avenue, and we're giving you a tour of this residential development going up. It's going to be 13 floors and they are now working on the 8th floor. So we're just giving you a quick update today. Now this development is residential, it's going to be apartments. And at 13 floors, it's going to be the tallest building in the Constant Spring area. And the company that's doing this, Ripton Construction, they are also the company doing the Rogers in New Kingston, and that one is 20 floors. That's actually going to be the tallest building in Kingston. And they are also doing the plaza at 56 Lady Musgrave Road as a 4-story commercial development, and they recently built 45 HR, which is a 10-story building across from Jamaica House on Hope Road. So this company is putting up some spectacular buildings around Kingston. Alright guys, just giving you a quick tour today to show you how far they've reached and keep you guys updated on this development. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day.